Chapter 12, Improvement in Food Resources, Class 9th CBSE based. Contents, as per Class 9th syllabus. Contents: Plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management. Use of fertilizers and manures. Protection from pests and diseases. Organic farming. Green Revolution. The Green Revolution is a program introduced in many countries to boost food production using modern technology, better irrigation, and improved seeds. White Revolution. The White Revolution is a program in India aimed at increasing milk production, making the country self-sufficient in milk. Types of crops. Cereals, wheat, rice, maize, barley, provide carbohydrates. Seeds, edible seeds like cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and nuts, provide fats. Pulses, legumes such as gram, pea, black gram, green gram, lentil, provide proteins. Vegetables, spices, and fruits, apples, mangoes, cherries, bananas, watermelons, spinach, leafy vegetables, carrots, chilies, black pepper, provide vitamins and minerals. Crop seasons. Kharif season, grows during rainy season, June to October. Examples, black gram, green gram, pigeon pea, rice, soybean. Rabi season, grows during winter season, November to April. Examples, wheat, gram, peas, mustard, linseed. Improvement in crop yields. Crop variety improvement. Using good and healthy seeds. Hybridization, crossing different plants to create better varieties. Aiming for higher yield, improved quality, resistance to biotic and abiotic factors, wider adaptability, and desired agronomic traits. Crop production improvement. Nutrient management. Plants need elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and others for growth. Irrigation, proper watering techniques. Cropping patterns, effective use of cropping techniques to boost production. Crop protection improvement, control weeds, insects, and diseases. Manure and fertilizers. To increase yield, soil can be enriched with nutrients through manure and fertilizers. Manure. Source of organic matter. Supplies small quantities of nutrients. Made from decomposed animal excreta and plant waste. Types of manures. Compost, decomposing animal excreta, kitchen waste, and plant remains in pits. Vermicompost, using earthworms to decompose plant and animal waste quickly. Green manure, growing plants like sun hemp and guar, then plowing them into the field to turn into manure, rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. Fertilizers, made in factories from chemical substances, contain large amounts of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Easily absorbed by plants because they are water soluble. Costly. Differences between manure and fertilizers. Manure. Fertilizers. Organic substances. Inorganic substances. Made from natural decomposition. Made from chemical substances. Less nutrients. More nutrients. Cheap, made in rural areas. Costly, made in factories. Slowly absorbed by plants. Easily absorbed by plants. Difficult to store and transport. Easy to store and transport. Irrigation. Irrigation is the process of providing water to crop plants. Methods of irrigation. Wells. Dug wells, water is collected by bullocks or pumps. Tube wells, deep underground water is pumped up for irrigation. Canals, water comes from large rivers. River lift system, water is taken directly from rivers using pumps, useful for areas near rivers. Tanks, small storage reservoirs. Rainwater harvesting, collects rainwater in tanks for later use and prevents soil erosion. Crop patterns. Different crop patterns are used to maximize field production. Mixed cropping, growing two or more crops together on the same land. For example, wheat and gram, wheat and mustard, groundnut and sunflower. Intercropping, growing two or more crops in a specific pattern on the same field, such as a few rows of one crop followed by a few rows of another. Examples include soybean plus maize, and finger millet, bajra, plus cowpea, lobia. Crop rotation, growing different crops one after another on the same field. This avoids depleting the same nutrients from the soil repeatedly. Advantages. Maintains soil fertility. Controls pests and weeds. Allows growing several crops in succession with just one soil preparation. Crop protection improvement. Protecting crops from diseases and harmful factors is called crop protection. It involves pest control during growth, weeds, unwanted plants in the field, e.g., xanthium. Insects harm plants by cutting roots, stems, leaves, and sucking cell sap. Pathogens, disease-causing organisms like bacteria, fungi, and viruses transmitted through air, water, or soil. Storage of grains. Grains are stored to provide seasonal food throughout the year but can be destroyed by various means. Biotic problems, caused by living organisms like insects, birds, mites, bacteria, and fungi. Abiotic problems, caused by non-living factors such as moisture and inappropriate temperature. These factors can lead to quality degradation, weight loss, color changes, and poor germination. Organic farming. Using fertilizers and pesticides has drawbacks. They cause pollution, harm soil fertility, and leave harmful chemicals in produce. Organic farming, a farming system with little or no use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Protecting food grains before storage. Drying, properly dry the grains in the sun. Hygiene, ensure grains are insect-free. Clean godowns thoroughly and seal cracks in roofs, walls, and floors. Fumigation, spray godowns and stores with fumigants. Treat seeds with insecticides and fungicides. Storage devices, store cleaned and dried grains in proper bags like gunny bags. Use airtight, moisture-resistant, and temperature-resistant storage devices. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is for eggs and meat, providing protein. Broilers, birds for meat, ready in 6 to 8 weeks. Layers, birds for eggs, ready in 20 weeks. Most are crossbreeds. Breeding hens. More and better quality chicks. Low maintenance. Dwarf broilers need less food and tolerate heat, reducing costs by 30%. Fish production. Fish production provides protein and includes finned fish production, cartilaginous and bony fish, pomfret, tuna, cod, catla, prawns, rohu. Unfinned fish production, shellfish like prawns and mollusks. Types of fishing. Capture fishing, catching wild fish. Culture fishing, aquaculture, raising fish in controlled environments. In oceans, it's called mariculture. Marine fishing. Done in ponds, rivers, reservoirs. Common species, pomfret, tuna, sardines, Bombay duck, mullets, prawns, seaweed, oysters. Use satellites and echo sounders to locate fish. Inland fishing, fish production in fresh and brackish water. Composite fish culture. 5 to 6 fish varieties in one pond, each eating different food. Examples: Katla, upper water, rohu, middle water, mrigals and common carps, bottom. Advantage: higher yield. Problem: fish lay eggs mainly during monsoons. Hormonal stimulation is used to reproduce year-round. Beekeeping. Beekeeping involves managing honeybees for honey and wax. Farmers use it for extra income, and large-scale farms are called apiaries. Apiary: systematic setup of beehives to maximize pollen and nectar collection. Bee varieties. Common Indian bees: Apis cerna indica, Indian bee, dorsata, rock bee, floral, little bee. Italian variety mellifera: high honey collection, fast reproduction, less stinging, long hive stay. Honey: dense, sweet liquid used in medicine, as sugar, and for energy. Pasturage: availability of flowers for bees to collect nectar and pollen, affecting honey quality and quantity, e.g., tasty almond honey from Kashmir.